South Carolina is considered one of the most business-friendly U.S. states due to its low taxes and workforce development programs. The biggest industries in South Carolina are health and medical insurance, car dealers, hospitals, gas stations, and tourism. The state itself is a home to more than 445,000 small businesses with over 830,000 workers across different industries. If you're thinking of starting a new business in South Carolina, forming an LLC has several advantages that make it a great choice for entrepreneurs and business owners. An LLC is considered a legal entity that is separate from you, the owner. This means that your personal assets are protected because you are not personally liable for the company's debts or legal liabilities. Moreover, an LLC is simple to form, requiring much less paperwork than corporation, and very easy to maintain. You can form an LLC by yourself, or you can use a professional online LLC formation service. Many entrepreneurs choose to use a service to streamline the process and ensure that everything is done correctly. One of the most popular LLC formation services is Zen Business. Imagine a partner that takes care of your LLC formation and upkeep, so you can devote your energy to growing your business. That's where Zen Business comes in. If you're looking to reach Zen Business, simply navigate to the description box of this video, and you'll find a direct link to their website. Zen Business has several plans and offers free business formation. We recommend going for the Pro plan as it offers additional features that are important for your business formation process. Now, let's go back to the LLC formation process in South Carolina. Here are the steps you need to take. Step 1. Choose a name for your South Carolina LLC. The first step in starting an LLC in South Carolina is to choose a name for your business. The name must be unique and not already taken by another business in South Carolina. Also, your business name must end with Limited Liability Company or any of its abbreviations. Once you have a few potential names, check the South Carolina Secretary of State website to confirm they are available to register. Once you've chosen a unique name, the next step is to reserve it. This can be done online or by mail and comes with a small fee. But remember, reservation only lasts for a certain period, so be ready to form your LLC once you've got your name. In the description, you'll find a link to GoDaddy where you can check the availability of the desired domain name. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or service authorized to accept legal, tax, and financial documents on behalf of your business, and communicate with the state on relevant matters. The registered agent must have a physical address in South Carolina. You can be your own registered agent, or it can be another member of the LLC. An individual who is not a member or a professional agency can also serve as the registered agent for your LLC. These are some of the benefits of using the registered agent service. In the description, you'll find the link to the best registered agent services in the state of South Carolina. Step 3. Determine your management structure. When you form a limited liability company, you have the option to choose how the company is managed. The two most common types of LLCs are manager-managed and member-managed. In a member-managed LLC, the members or owners are responsible for managing the business. This means they make all the important decisions, such as how the company is run and what strategies to use for growth. On the other hand, in a manager-managed LLC, the members hire a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the company. This is particularly useful if the members are not interested in running the business themselves or lack the necessary skills and experience to do so. So, to summarize, the main difference between a manager-managed and a member-managed LLC is who is responsible for managing the company. In a member-managed LLC, the members manage the company, while in a manager-managed LLC, a designated manager runs the business. Step 4. File Articles of Organization with the South Carolina Secretary of State. To make your LLC official, you'll need to file Articles of Organization with the state. This is the legal document that officially creates your LLC as a legal entity in South Carolina. The Articles of Organization includes information about your LLC, such as its address, owners, and registered agent information. To file the Articles of Organization in South Carolina, go to the website of the Secretary of State and fill out the form. You'll also have to pay a fee, and you should receive confirmation within 7 to 10 business days. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. While not required by South Carolina law, it's highly recommended that you create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the rights and responsibilities of the LLC's members and how it will be managed. The operating agreement should clearly define the percentage of each member's interest in the LLC, how profits and losses will be allocated to each member's rights and responsibilities, the management structure and management roles of members, the voting rights of each member, rules for meetings and voting, and what happens when a member sells their interest, becomes disabled, or dies. We offer a free operating agreement template. Please note that this document may need to be adjusted based on your circumstances and may not cover all situations. Step 6. Obtain business licenses. Depending on its type of business and where it is located, your LLC may need to obtain other local and state business licenses. These permits and licenses can vary based on the town or city where the business is located. Fees for business licenses and permits will vary depending on what sort of license you are seeking to obtain. This is not a step to be taken lightly, as failing to comply with legal requirements can result in hefty penalties. If you feel overwhelmed by this step, or don't know how to begin, it might be a good idea to hire a professional to help you check all the legal boxes. Step 7. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify a business entity for tax purposes. You can apply for one online through the IRS website. The application process is free and typically takes just a few minutes to complete. When applying for an EIN, you will need to provide certain information, such as the legal name and address of your LLC, the type of business entity, and the number of members. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive your EIN immediately, which you can use for all tax-related purposes for your South Carolina LLC. Congratulations! Your LLC is formed. And that's it! Those are the steps you need to take to start an LLC in South Carolina. Remember to choose a unique name, appoint a registered agent, file articles of organization, create an operating agreement, and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Of course, using an LLC formation service can be beneficial as it can help simplify the process. Ensure that all necessary legal requirements are met and provide assistance with filing paperwork and obtaining necessary permits and licenses, thereby saving time and reducing the risk of errors. But what after the LLC is formed? If you're wondering what comes next, here are the steps that need to be taken to properly set up the business and start operating. Get an LLC bank account. Open a separate bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This will make it easier to track your business expenses and income, and will also help you establish credibility with banks, vendors, and customers. Obtain insurance. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain insurance coverage such as liability insurance, property insurance, or workers' compensation insurance. Decide on the LLC tax status. LLCs are unique in terms of taxation as their owners have a choice about how the company will be taxed. In the description, you'll find a guide on how to choose your tax status. File an annual report. In South Carolina, there are no annual report requirements for LLCs unless they have elected to be taxed as a C corporation. The annual report is filed with the Department of Revenue along with your state corporate tax return. Starting an LLC in South Carolina may seem daunting, but by following these steps and utilizing resources, you can make your dream a reality. Good luck with your new business! At Step by Step Business, we empower entrepreneurs and provide valuable resources to start a new venture as easily as possible. Go to our website www.stepbystepbusiness.com and learn more about starting a business in South Carolina. In addition to the state guides, you'll find more than 400 step-by-step business ideas that can help you in choosing the best business venture for you. If you enjoyed this video guide, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for similar content. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below.